In Wing Chun, you have to breathe properly and keep calm and relaxed. If your breathing is not correct, your muscles turn into tension and you'll freeze. You'll be still too stiff. You have to be calm and light. So let's go together. Breathe in through the nose and out through the mouth. In, out, in, out, in, out. Thus, you release stale oxygen and breathe in fresh oxygen. So it's in fresh oxygen and out the stale oxygen. When you in a situation, keep calm. When you punch, breathe in, ha, and out. In, ha, and out. In and out. Ha, in and out. Ha. If you punching, you breathe in, in, in. Keep relaxed and keep motivated. That's all for today.